Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to add a grid to your page on Squarespace step by step. First, open the Pages panel on the left sidebar, click on the page where you want to add your grid section. The page preview will load in the main editing area. Now, click Edit in the top left corner. This puts the page into editing mode so you can interact with the sections. Next, add a new section. If your page is blank, you'll see an Add Section button right in the middle. If you already have content, hover between existing sections and the Add Section button will appear. Click it. A section selection menu opens with categories on the left and layout previews on the right. For a blank grid section, click Add Blank, then click Section. This adds a blank Fluid Engine section to your page. You'll notice the grid appear faintly in the background. To make the grid stay visible while you work, press G on your keyboard. Just the G key by itself, no shift or other modifiers needed. The grid is 24 boxes wide, and you'll see how the rows are laid out. You can press G again anytime to hide it. Now let's add content to the grid. Hover over the section and click Add Block in the top left corner. A block menu appears showing different content types like text, images, buttons, and more. Click and drag a block from the menu onto the page. As you drag it, guidelines appear showing where you can place it. Drop the block where you want it on the grid. You can layer blocks on top of each other if you want overlapping elements in your design. To resize a block, click on it and drag the corners or edges. The block will snap to the grid lines as you resize it, which keeps everything aligned perfectly. If you want to adjust how this looks on mobile, click the mobile view icon in the top right corner. The view switches to mobile preview. The mobile editing is completely separate, so you can arrange and resize your blocks differently for smaller screens. Once you're happy with everything, click Save in the top left corner where the Edit button was. Your page exits editing mode, and your grid layout is now live. A couple of useful things to know: there's no limit to how many blocks you can add to a section, though Squarespace recommends keeping it under 60 for performance. Also, if you create a layout you really like, click the heart icon to save that section so you can reuse it on other pages. And if you need to duplicate a section, click the duplicate icon rather than rebuilding it from scratch. Thanks for watching.